Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka jingsa jit UMP ka Thiruvananthapuram Shashi Tharoor hakasor India ban lej mikmat yakari India syakiri sapngi ban yathu syakaparthai syapang ka Operation Sindur bat yaki kam leno jong Pakistan. Kala pasyat penban ya kaseng kongres namar ba kaseng kongres kam shimla jit ya Shashi Tharoor na pedang kinong yalam jongka hanrei udai menteri rangba do jongkari Narendra Modi ubala jit ya ban mikmat ya ka India ban pinsngo halor ka jingja ka balaja ha Pahalgam. Ha ka jingkan mau ya ka jingdap sanpos nam jong ka emergency ka ba ka menteri rangba do barim ka Indira Gandhi kala penbana ha usnam khat khandai spa nyopsan ya ka ba ka sarkar umudi kala yai penkan mau si penkan mau ya ka jing sosat ki pajba hau te usnam. Presiden jong kaseng kongres Malik Arjun Kharge ula thalan ya Shashi Tharoor daka bakaran parsi hakaba ulaong bakaseng kongres kabu ya kari hakamat bad ya ka parti sadien handrai kidon pat kibri kiblaong bakibu ya kari hakamat katba hakajing sisiapan kibu ya umudi hakamat. Haba kinong thok kubor kilakili ka ikaw budan banong halor kijing tho Shashi Tharoor sapang ka Operation Sindur ukhargi ulaong ba danang bha ya ka English hanrei Shashi Tharoor upna bha ban karan English but day nakata ka daw ka Congress ka ailad yo ban dan haka Congress Working Committee. Hadien kini kijing kran ukhargi Shashi Tharoor ulabu haka ex account jo ya ka dor jong kasim haringkar kijing tho ka baong wat pan Jingbit ban her ki Thapniang ki degi jong phi bat ka Suiñbneng gadai ka bamdan bala ban kam Trai. Tharoor ukhlam thop nia ya ki jingmot jong kini ki kentien jong bat ukhlam penmi hiru ya ka kerteng jong ukhargi hanrei ki degi jingtho ki babaro ki pajba ki sotho utho shano.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.